Hello and welcome to Technicforce Tutorials. In this video, I'll guide you through the various configuration settings in Tarantula SEO Spider. Let's dive into the settings section in the sidebar. First, we have the crawl depth limit. This setting allows you to define the depth limit for the crawler when crawling a particular URL. For example, setting it to 3 means the crawler won't explore beyond a depth of 3. Let's see this in action by crawling a website. In the external section, you'll find the crawl depth column, where you can observe the crawler's exploration levels. Now, what does that mean? The Tarantula SEO Spider crawler crawls any website page by page. To understand this, let's say a crawler crawls a web page and finds the URL of another new web page on that. Then the crawler also crawls that new web page, and so on. This continues like that, creating a chain of page exploration. The crawl depth count increases by 1 for each level of this exploration, representing how deeply the crawler has delved into the website. So that's what crawl depth means, and you can control that from the setting by Limit Crawl Depth option. Now, let's talk about the folder depth limit. This setting allows you to limit the number of subfolders the crawler will explore. Let's see that in action. I will set it to 1 for now and start the new crawl. You can see the difference now that the crawler is only crawling the URLs, which have only one subfolder. So that's how the folder depth limit works. Now, let's see how query string limit works. I will set it to 2, and let's assume the crawler finds a URL which has 3 query strings on any web page. As you can see, this URL has 3 query strings, then this URL will not be crawled by the crawler. Next, we have redirects following limit, which allows you to control the number of redirects the SEO Spider will follow. Now, let's explore URLs per link limit. This setting controls the number of URLs crawled at each depth. I will keep that limit at 1000 for now, and let's start a crawl. As you can see, the crawler found 200 URLs while crawling. Now, I will change the URLs per link limit to 5, and let's see the difference by starting a new crawl. As you can see, the total count did not even reach 100 URLs. That is because of the URLs per link limit. That's how this configuration controls the number of URLs that are crawled at each crawl depth. Moving forward, page size limit lets you set the maximum size of a web page in kilobytes for the crawler to crawl. Pages exceeding this size limit won't be crawled. The respect robots.txt option follows the rules in the robots.txt file by default. However, if you set it to no, the crawler will ignore robots.txt rules, putting the responsibility on the user. Finally, we have crawl images. This option allows you to decide whether you want to crawl image URLs or not. That's how these all configuration settings provide you with more control over the crawling process. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.